Before making content edits, let's refine the overall structure of the website. To add a new section, hover over an existing section, then at the bottom of that section, click the Add Section button and choose the type of section you need from the pop-up. To rearrange the sections, click on a section that you want to move, then click the Move Up or Move Down arrow buttons that appear in the pop-up toolbar. To remove a section from your site, select it, then click the trash can icon. To manage the pages of your website, click Pages and Navigation in the left toolbar. If needed, add pages for deeper project breakdowns or case studies. To add a page, simply click the purple Add Page button at the bottom, then select a page layout template. Give your new page a simple name and URL ending, then click Save. To delete any extra pages that you don't need, click the three dots to the right of the page name, then click Delete. Click Delete again on the confirmation pop-up. For our demo, we'll delete all the extra pages to keep a clean, single-page portfolio layout. For single-page sites like our demo site, I recommend hiding the header and navigation bar. To do this, delete all extra pages first. Then, under Main Navigation, click the three dots to the right of the home page, then click Hide from Navigation. To update the website styles and general appearance, click Website Styles in the left toolbar. Adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and animation styles to match your brand or aesthetic. Once the structure is in place, we can start adding content.